Hello, my name is Dr. Fraser Hale, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about the Veterinary Oral Health Council. The Council was established back in the late 90s by Dr. Colin Harvey at the University of Pennsylvania. The idea was that there were a great number of dental products or products on the pet market with claims to being of benefit for helping to maintain or improve oral health. But many of these products had no legitimate or no independently reviewed research to substantiate those claims. So Dr. Harvey established the council so that products could be put through the same research, through the same clinical trials, and that way veterinarians and the pet-owning public would be able to compare apples to apples and have some level of confidence that if they were purchasing a product, that the product would do something of value. The council is made up of 9 board-certified veterinary dentists, and initially there was input from human dentists and members of the American Dental Association as far as how to frame the council and how to set the standards for the research that would be done. So the council doesn't do the research themselves, but they have set the standards, set the protocols for the clinical trials. And if you are a company that has a product and you would like the VOHC seal of acceptance, then you have to run clinical trials on live animals using the entire recipe and following the instructions on the VOHC website. After performing the clinical trials, a submission is made. The application package will include the details of where the research was done, the population of animals, who the evaluators were, and so forth, as well as all the statistical analysis. And then the 9 members, the 9 board-certified veterinary dentists who make up the council, look at this application package and look for any reason to say no. The default answer for the VOHC for any application is no, because once they've said yes, it would be very difficult to revoke acceptance if there later come to light that there was any problem with the product. So they want to be very, very certain that if they give their seal of acceptance, that it will stand up to the test of time. After the 9 members have come to an agreement that they will award the seal of acceptance, their recommendation then goes to the Board of Directors of the American Veterinary Dental College. And they then look at the application and the recommendations and have to ratify the recommendation of the council. So in order to get a VOHC seal of acceptance, the product has to go through clinical trials, it has to be, the application has to be filed, the application has to pass through the 9 board-certified veterinary dentists and then through the Board of Directors of the American Veterinary Dental College. It's quite a rigorous process. And as I said, the default answer is no. Many veterinarians quite rightly feel that peer-reviewed publications in a professional journal are of great value, that a product that lacks a peer-reviewed article in a journal may lack credibility. But it's my contention that getting VOHC acceptance is considerably more challenging than getting a paper published in a journal. When one considers that journals are always looking for content, they're always looking for reasons to say yes to an article submission, whereas the college is always looking, or the council is always looking to say no. All of the Healthy Mouth products have been through this process. Karen has been firm in her stance that none of her products will make it to market without a VOHC seal of acceptance for helping to control plaque. When a brand new product comes to market, it has to go through 2 clinical trials. So the very first dog water additive concentrate was put through 2 clinical trials. The first cat water additive was put through 2 clinical trials. And then all of the other products in the product line are considered product extensions and therefore only required 1 trial each. The results of all of the clinical trials can be found on our website, and all of the results are really quite remarkable and dramatic. In order to receive a seal of acceptance for helping to control plaque, the results only have to show a 20% plaque reduction in the test animals versus control. In the Healthy Mouth trials, the lowest result was 60%, and we've had results up to and into the the low 90s. So we have a wide range of products, all that have been through clinical trials, and all with very remarkable plaque reduction in repeatable fashion, in that there have been trials done in pet-owned animals, in blood donor colony of greyhounds, in a colony of rescue cats. And it doesn't matter which population of animals are being used as the subjects. The results are reliable and repeatable and really quite remarkable. And so it's this Veterinary Oral Health Council seal of acceptance. You want to look for that on any product that you might be recommending. Healthy Mouth has 44 products. Each and every one of them has the seal of acceptance for helping to control plaque, and that's more than any other company in the world.